Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might just surprise you. It's something every woman secretly craves but rarely talks about. This is the forbidden desire that ignites her passion and pulls her closer to you in ways you might not expect. Stick with me as we uncover the hidden truth behind this desire and how you can unlock it to create deeper intimacy, connection, and attraction. Let's get into it. 1. The desire for total surrender. At the core of this forbidden desire is the longing to surrender, not in a submissive or weak sense, but in a way that allows her to feel completely safe, cherished, and vulnerable with you. Women often want to feel like they can let go of control and trust you entirely. This doesn't mean dominating her in a harsh way. It's about being the kind of man who can provide her with the emotional, mental, and physical security she needs to feel like she can be herself. No masks, no barriers. When a woman feels that kind of connection, she's willing to open herself up in ways that are deeply passionate and fulfilling. 2. The desire for deep presence. Another part of this forbidden desire is her craving for your deep, undivided attention. In a world full of distractions, women want to feel like they're the center of your universe when you're with them. This isn't just about physical presence, but emotional presence too. Being fully present with her, without your mind wandering or your phone in your hand, makes her feel desired on a level that goes beyond physical attraction. It shows that you're invested in her, in the moment, and in the connection you're building together. When you're truly present with her, she feels seen and heard. This deepens her attraction and opens her up to that forbidden desire she may be holding back. 3. The desire for playful, passionate energy. Women secretly crave a man who can bring out both sides of the emotional spectrum, playful energy and deep passion. There's something incredibly attractive about a man who can make her laugh one moment and then sweep her off her feet the next. It's this balance of lighthearted fun and intense chemistry that makes her desire you on a deeper level. When you show that you're confident, relaxed, and unafraid to mix playfulness with intimacy, it builds anticipation. And that anticipation is what fuels the forbidden desire every woman secretly wants to explore with you. 4. The desire for unspoken communication. Here's a secret. Many women want to experience the kind of connection where you don't need to say a word to know what she's feeling. Unspoken communication through body language, eye contact, and subtle cues is one of the most powerful ways to ignite her hidden desires. When you understand how to read her mood, her unspoken needs, and respond without words, it creates a magnetic connection. This level of intimacy builds trust. And it's that trust that unlocks the forbidden desire she's been holding inside. A gentle touch, a lingering look, or even the way you move closer to her can speak volumes. And when you master this unspoken language, she'll feel a connection that goes beyond the physical. It becomes emotional and almost primal. 5. The desire for a man who can lead with confidence. Lastly, women want a man who knows how to lead with confidence, not in a controlling or demanding way, but with a quiet strength that makes her feel like she can relax and let you guide her through the experience. Confidence is a huge turn on, but it's not just about how you look or act. It's about how you make her feel. When you take the lead in moments of intimacy, it gives her permission to surrender to the moment fully. She'll feel safe, excited, and ready to explore her deepest desires with you. Women want to feel like they are in the hands of a man who knows what he's doing, who's in tune with her needs, and who can guide her without overpowering her. That's the kind of confidence that fuels the forbidden desire she may not even realize she has. So there you have it, the forbidden desire that every woman wants from you. It's not just about the physical. It's about creating a space where she feels safe to let go, where she feels seen and understood, and where you lead with confidence, making her feel cherished. When you tap into these elements, you'll ignite a passion that goes beyond the surface and dives deep into her most hidden desires. So, if you're ready to build that kind of connection, take these tips and put them into action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more relationship and intimacy tips. As always, drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.